Range. The difference between the highest and lowest values. Interquartile range. The range of the middle half of a distribution. Variance. Average of squared distances from the mean. Standard deviation. Average distance from the mean. Today we discuss about how to calculate range, variance and standard deviation in Excel. Let's start. Okay, first, we will find the range, which I can finding minimum by typing equal, then min and highlight the data, then enter. And for the maximum, equals, max, highlight the data, and enter. Okay, next, the calculate the range, equals, maximum minus minimum, you can see the result. For the variance, I want to sample variance, so, I'm going to type equals, then var. I want sample variance, then type s. Now highlight the data, and enter, that's my sample variance. Okay, for the sample standard deviation, I'm going to type equals, stdev. Then highlight the data, and press enter, that is the sample standard deviation in Excel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.